students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is birds' feet and claws. All birds have 2 feet. Each foot generally has 4 toes that bear claws. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop around, protect themselves from enemies, catch and hold food. Perching of birds. Crows, sparrow. Perching birds, crows, sparrow and pigeons have 3 toes in front and 1 behind. These toes curl around the branch to hold it firmly. Toes that then hold the branch of a tree very firmly to rest or even sleep at night without falling. Preying birds or birds of prey. Birds like eagle, hawks, vulture, and owl are flesh eaters. These are called preying birds. These birds have very strong and sharp claws for catching and tearing the flesh of small animals like frogs and rats. Their strong and sharp claws are called talons. Climbing birds. Birds like parrots and woodpeckers have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards. They use their toes to climb up and hold the branches of trees. They are called climbing birds. Scratching birds. Birds like the hens, peacocks, and quails use their feet to dig the ground in the search of buried seeds and insects. Peacock. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at back with sharp claws. Swimming birds. Water birds like ducks, geese, and swans have webbed feet to swim in water. They have 3 front toes and 1 back toe. The 3 toes at front are joined by skin, giving wave-like appearance. The webbed feet help them paddle and push water while swimming. Wading bird. Birds that can walk over shallow water are called wading birds. Crane, heron, and paddy birds are wading birds. They have thin and long legs with wide spreading toes. Running birds. Ostrich is a running bird. It cannot fly. It has long and strong legs for running. It is the only bird which has 2 toes in each foot. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.